So I think upholding the Constitution, both in letter and spirit, is very important at this juncture. And also to ensure that our country is free from corruption. I believe this is one of the root cause of the ills that we are facing in this nation. So I believe that all the 543, MPs in this 18th, Lok Sabha, will stand together to fight against corruption. And I believe that if we can do that, of course, it's not easy, but I tell you, as a party, Voice of the People Party, we fought this election. I think I'm proud to say that we are a party who, when people said, can you fight election without money? We said, yes, we can do it. Why? Because we know that God Almighty, He is there. Nothing is impossible with Him. So this is my message.
So one